Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Lenovo Go wireless active noise cancellation headset. Yeah, you can see the packing here. This is a Bluetooth and wireless headset, active noise cancellation. I'm going to unbox now. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. You can see all the details. Yeah, I'm going to open the box. You can see there is all instruction how to use and how it will work. In the manual everything is mentioned. This one you can use 135-degree rotatable. Yeah, this is a wired USB cable. You can charge your headset. And USB receiver. USB receiver. Now you can see the headset. This speaker size is 40 mm. This one having a flip to mode also, and charging time is 1.5 hours. Capacity is 610 mAh, and playback time is up to 35 hours, and talk time is up to 22 hours, and it has a Bluetooth 5.0 audio interface. And frequency range is 120 Hz by 120 Hz. You can see inside there is a case for this headset, black color, nice quality. And there is user manuals are there, service support, and proper manual. You can see how to use all the details in the manual. And this sensitivity is 107 by 3 dp. It's a more compatible, and this is having Microsoft Teams certified also. You can see adjustable for the head. And this headset is compatible Windows 10 and above. You can adjust the headset. All things you can see one time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.